right, Bobby. We're gonna do a launch. Let's see how you do. Oh! Bobby! Bobby, damn!
Crunch out.
Anything else?
Anyone want something else? It's a cheesy gordita crunch. There he is! Hey now! Lay a heater on the sidewalk.
Bike work?
Bike work, baby. Oh, almost into Mom's Acura. No way. Oh, careful. He just got squirrely. Split the cart lane. Yeah! Get it in there.
Whole shot Ricky Carmichael!
All the way up!
On the gate!
There we go. Come on now. MC Gov. Show him. You put the shorty mag on the crimp.
I had to cut her down, you see, because
Custom.
sometimes longer isn't always good.
There we go. Heard it here first. Size matters. Check the action. Oh, she's litting up. Careful, careful, dude.
You just melted it right off.
Unreal, dude. This thing's too legit.
Ow!
Dude, I almost took you down. Unbelievable.
What do we do for... It's fine. It's fine.
Why could you just hang on? What the fuck is wrong with you?
There he goes.
Hey!
In position, my governor. More bike work is all we get. We got a Porsche over here. We got Rusty. And we got the man. There he is. Careful, not the fresh paint. Just like that. The boy got the P-Dub back. Unbelievable. We got our boy back.
Billy Ryder!
There he goes. Urban. Hello, Dragon Pack. What?
Troopers.
Back again. Unbelievable. He's over there. Go get his head. Get him. We got little kids just going at it over here. Get some. Get some. Oh! Oh! Heads are gonna go off the concrete.
Hey, Parker, watch that.
Grab his arm and roll.
Oh, he got his back! How are you losing? Choke him out! The little homie was running. Oh, no. Dude, you were chasing him. You gotta win.
What the fuck is going on?
On the crate, they're going in the sewer called Ninja Turtles.
You're not gonna win for shit if you wrestle like this.
Damn, Politelli versus RC. The boys in blue. Bunch of deer running through. Look at him. Here he comes. There he is. They're coming. Through the leaves. Hey now, Joe! Beat it, Joe! Up, Charles! Beat his ass, Johnny. Tee him up, John. What a night, eh? Now we get to ride some dirt bikes. Back at Janusa's. Facility 15. Only place we get to ride.
Bar bag.
Bar bag. Ain't buttery, but it'll have to do.
We're better. We're East Coast.
There's our guys. Moving. Our rider's down third time this lap and he's hurt. Hope he's all right. Oh my God. 3 crashes.
No, it was 2.
1 lap.
It was 2.
How you feeling?
I'm fine. I think I blew up my bike though. I don't know.
Where's the bike at? You left it on the track?
No,
that was free. You went down right here, up there, and back there.
I didn't go. I didn't go down.
Yeah, right over there. You went OTB. I got video.
Where?
Right over there.
No, that's why first when I dropped the bike over there.
Oh, let me see the carnage.
Am I bleeding?
Unbelievable.
Am I bleeding?
Carnage.
Oh, yeah.
Head.
Get a clue. B-Money, what are we working with? What did he do?
Spokes are bad. So look at this shit.
Oh, snapped them. Unreal. What else we got?
Rear swing arm is bad.
How bad is it?
Look at the tire.
Oh, she's off center. That ain't good. That's never good.
With my bike.
Unbelievable. That's why you don't ride a piece of fastest around. There he is. Rolling. Go hit something big.
We'll go big.
Outside line.
Go get the shot.
Here comes our rider. Takes the outside. Out of there. Later, Ross. Moving. Fastest around. Sketchy line. Jared's gonna scrape. All the boys. Nah, you were kind of far. Oh, dude, you're right there.
A little more.
Oh!
Almost. Oh, bro! I've never seen you.
Bro, you're right there, dude.
Right on the ground. I do it on the ground.
Oh, we got a boo-boo. Yeah, bro. KTM, dude. Check me out.
Factory is. Homie's pissed. Hunter's out here. We're literally shooting at us. Where what he's looking for. Ain't no deer out here.
Bro, this jokester is back.
The hunter is shooting.
Yo, he got.
Is he shooting?
Come here. Yo.
Dude, are those guns?
He got snippy. He got snippy with Nick Striano, and it ended very bad. Nick took off. Nick just took off and went over to the guy's house. No, that was Ozzy popping the bike. No, Nick just took off and went to the guy's house. This guy got snippy with Nick, and Nick looked at me and goes, "I'll go to the house myself." Ripped up to the house.
We got riders, we got a hunter. He is pissed.
Didn't you bring him back in? He loved it. Fuck. Homeboy right here. Didn't he love it? He did.
You finding some deer back here? I haven't seen none in these woods for a hot minute. No way, not even when we're not here.
Are you mad you couldn't choose something today? Be honest.
I got woods for you on the other side. I'll give you private hunting permission. You could go in there, and there's some deer there.
They're not coming here with you guys riding motorcycles.
You know what the problem
There might be some turkey for Thanksgiving, though. Let them know! Ain't no more deer coming! Ow, 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 ow,
I lost today. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, next week, you'll be fine. Come back here again. Then don't come back. We've been battling here for 20 years. I live here. You don't. I got permission though. You don't. I have permission too. You want to talk to him? I'll talk to him. Okay. Tomorrow then. What time do you want to meet there? What time do you want to meet there? What? What time do you want to meet there together with that guy? I'll talk to him tomorrow. Talk to him tomorrow. Let me know when you want to meet back here again. Because I'm sick of your shit. What am I doing? You're not. What you're doing is busting their balls. It's not your property. I don't give a f. And when I come back, I don't give a f. You guys ride back here like this.
This is where he gets it from.
Their home.
Now
it's
we
not
know.
your home. It's their woods. I haven't been back here a month and a half. I told you we're going to give you some time. I'll let you hunt. We're going to
cut that thing to You better not be in it. This guy. Jokes over here.
It's
you not see who we're here with?
It's nice out. It's cool. We want to just the hunting and riding around.
Unbelievable. What do we got, little guy?
Oh my God. I'm just trying to home. So just get in your truck and go home. Come back to
Get a clue, pal.
I know, so bye-bye.
Find that clue you were looking for. Deep, baby. Hey, could I get your number? The locals are hyped. Later, have a good day. We got a run up coming in. You like it? Hey, look at the landing.
I know. Yeah, someone stand right there.
Hey, what are we thinking? We like it?
Yeah, I think we got this in the bag.
Let's see it, baby. Give me some cheese.
Let's get it. No, stand right there.
In our boy comes. Clean. Grease is in. Our boy dropping in like Axel.
Get the shot. This is it. Bye-bye.
Boost it!
Wait, you live? That's by your house?
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes.
Oh, you're driving far.
Huh?
Driving far.
It's a straight shot.
Yeah.
All the way down Monmouth.
206 to Monmouth.
Hey, you got it?
Oh my God.
It's a little harsh if you case it. Hey! Billy! These guys out here with a limo. What do we got going on? Nobody knows. Who bought this thing?
Stolen.
Stolen? check the interior. Anyone home? Oh, dude, it's pretty clean. Could fit mad chicks in here.
Off the crank.
I mean, yeah, just look out for if it's in gear.
Yeah, it might be.
What's wrong?
Are you cranking it?
Start it. Sounds like it.
It's hydro lock.
Dude, it's locked.
This thing's locked up.
Dude, we ain't getting to New York.
It's pushing juice, bro.
Big ass battery.
You need to be pushing P.
Don't say
Lucas, yo, I'm telling you right now.
Is it in
just send it, dude.
If it goes into gear, go into the blocks.
It's not a little spray. No, I promise you.
Alright.
Yeah, if I won't.
Oh, she's like that.
Nah, that battery ain't pushing enough juice. No, it's not blowing up. It's not blowing up. It's not. Yo.
Yeah, he might be right. It's sparking when it touches this.
No, it's sparking on that whole terminal, bro.
Pulling juice.
No, let's take these off for now. You don't cut.
Bro, your negative's touching with a hot and it's exploding. That's exactly what.
Just take out the one bolt right there.
Just take it out.
Snip him right the off. You know, Eddie, grab him, rip him right off. Rip him the off. This we're dealing with around this joint. All he was a manual.
Yo, this gangster bought a limo, bro.
If this thing was manual, we could be down the road with the 6.4, dump the clutch. This thing straight out the head, and literally here's the cam and shit.
I forgot it's right out the head, dude.
Dude, this thing's bad. How much you spend on this thing?
They're given to me as free.
All right, dude. That's a great payment.
Yeah, literally straight. Oh, the thing's on. Yeah, bud. No one just saw this. No.
Oh god. Don't park it.
Yeah, bring it up. What do you want?
Can't park there.
Yeah, are you?
No one realized it used to run off of the way it was set up.
Yo,
If it's
hot wired as let's go, dude.
Wait, do you have a socket?
no, we only got it to drive.
We're gonna break. We're gonna. Are we thinking? All right.
All right, crank it, dude. Look out, Ozzy.
Go. Oh yeah.
Watch out.
Now I do. Whatever the touching is getting.
Okay.
We're holding again.
You took off all
Yo, we're holding again.
Alright, dude, when it catches fire, don't
Go, dude. It's gonna explode. It's gonna.
ground, dude.
It's holding.
Correct job.
Dude, watch your hand, bro. It's gonna explode.
You're moving it, dude. I'm going on, off, on,
Yeah,
off.
it's when it sparks.
You
All right, give us a minute.
Good. Yeah, keep it ripping. Here it comes.
Hold that shit.
I haven't moved.
No, you did. That's why it wasn't sparking. You weren't on.
Go.
You gotta spray the whole time.
Shut
Yo, that's how we got started the other day.
How many cans we go through?
Yeah, 4 cans.
Go.
Crank it like Soulja Boy.
I'm trying. I keep trying. Locked up.
Wait, damn airplane.
Oh my god!
Bro.
Move!
No, get him. What do you mean?
That's how they put it in.
Where's my
Please.
Let the guys try and fix a limo.
God damn it, airplane.
Unbelievable.
Someone give me a wrench!
God, what? Like, dude, I can pull it out.
It's dinging right now.
No.
What the no, I'm gonna do? Oh, whoa.
Why are we using these?
What do you mean? They're right here.
Well, find the right size,
These
cause
are
I
literally
couldn't.
ratchet.
Yo, use the jumper cable to ground it.
Lucas said that probably an hour ago.
I'm a poacher at all the street spots. About to go East Coast. P-Dub's where it's at. There it is. Oh. Find that clue you were looking for? Took a digger. Might have snapped the ankle, but we might be alright. Hit that to that and ended up like that, all backwards. God damn. Think we're getting urban. The only thing we're getting is Taco Bell and bike work, dude.
We gotta do some bike work first, dude.
There he is. Come on now. Damn.
Dude, they didn't even.
Did you win a time or two?
Nah.
Boys in blue.
We need this in? We gonna need this or?
We might need some petrol.
Yeah. Nah.
Oh wait, that thing's electric. Hey, fire that thing up. Oh, it's on. About to get urban.
Yep.
Call him Duke. Load that thing up.
Bro, that was.
It ain't a pogo stick.
That was the linkage in.
Axle's dropping. Urban. Out here at the local uni. Into the sunset. Out here urban riding.
Dude, they're calling in for backup and
Dude, it's gonna get hot soon. We might need to get out of here. Hotter than this fire. Beautiful sunset though.
dude, they're coming. They're coming.
Hell yeah. Yo, what's that guy doing in the woods?
Dude, we're watering the lake.
There we go.
We're putting the water back where it came from.
Hell yes. Bikes, dock. Better get some sweet wheelie shots going. Gonna end up in the lake. Every cop in town. Unreal. What's the verdict?
Dude, I don't know what's going on, but Buttery would be stoked right now.
He'd be hyped. The boys in blue are working. If he's hyped, I'm hyped. That's it. Greases it to no landing. What do we think?
Clean, bro. I need to hit the other one.
Hell yeah. Easy smeezy, right?
Yeah.
Money.
Greetings. How are you doing? Can I get the digits or something? No. Hey.
If you're on the 6th floor, we would have got him.
She's pissed.
Dang, dude.
No digits.
No digits.
Dude, reversing the jur. Reverse over the hill. Give her the gas. Give her gas, don't let it get framed.
Oh!
Oh, scraping bumper. Made it though. All right, let's get out of here.
Straight up horsepower!
That's straight horsepower, boy.